All right, while the workshop is quiet for 5 minutes, I have a beauty coming up for you. LS2, absolutely a numbered LS2, not a, hey, it's a 6 litre, so it's an LS2. No, it's an actual LS2 out of a VZ Hsv. Now, LS3 heads, so that's a change for us, but I was just interested how this goes in the dyno. Walk this way, Cam, and all the good bits. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun one. All right, so while we're waiting for the motor to cool down, let's go through the specs on our VZ Clubsport, which is on the dyno today. It is an LS2, so not an L98, not an L77, this is an actual LS2. So the beautiful Corvette All-American Hsv special that only came to Australia for a limited time. I've gone away and taken those heads off and put the LS3 style head. So 4-inch bore means I can run the square port, rectangle port heads. LS3 manifold, double valve springs, walk this way cam, standard converter on the stall speed. So it's a 4L65 trans, the 4-speed, with 346 diff gears. So all standard from the motor back. But the motor's had a full gasket kit. It's had an upgraded exhaust from Adelaide Exhaust Centre. Shout out to Graham. Let's see what this pulls on the dyno. All right, 324, LS2, LS3 heads, that's a VCM intake, there's pacemaker headers, there's an Adelaide Exhaust Centre full cap back. Life is good for this client.